But at number 1, with an ability to shift huge loads up and down hills 4 times steeper than anything the others could handle, it's Brazil's new mountain climbing monster, the MRS Logistica. Sao Paulo, Brazil. On this 20-kilometre track, after 4 years of work, the world's strongest train is about to undergo its final test drive.
Aqui é o painel do maquinista, o painel central dele, né, onde tem acesso a todas as informações de condução do veículo.
The man at the controls is veteran driver Nilton Janino. His task? To collect a cargo weighing 750 tons and deliver it to South America's largest port.
A cada vez que a gente aperta o V+, até 10 por hora, 10 km por hora, ele aumenta a velocidade em 2 em 2.
The cargo is one of the most valued and versatile materials on the planet. Iron ore.
The demand for Brazilian iron ore is massive, and Brazil is producing 1 million tons of it every day.
The problem is, between Brazil's biggest iron ore mines and the port is a mountain range. That's where the MRS Logistica comes in, a unique combination of purpose-built tracks and train.
Bom, por enquanto não tem ninguém ali agora. Ah, chegou o manobrador.
Nilton eases the locomotive into position.
Quando ela encostar, vai ser perceptível, aí eu zero o acelerador aqui, tirando a força do engate. Olha lá, já encostou.
He's now attached to the maximum load that this railway is designed to handle and ready to put his train through what could be the toughest test on any railway, anywhere.
Numa rampa considerada também uma das mais acentuadas. Estamos trabalhando numa rampa com 10%, que vale a cada 100 metros sobre 1 metro.
The plan is that when the 20-kilometre railway is fully operational, it will run 24 hours a day. 8 diesel-electric motors driving 8 axles mean that this train can deliver more than 5 megawatts of power, pushing or pulling. That's more than enough to get it up that steep 10% gradient. But the true challenge comes when the machine starts to descend. A train of this size, left to freewheel on a 10% slope, will reach 100 kilometers an hour in less than 30 seconds. If Nilton loses control, this train will derail, and anything in its path will be obliterated.
Conduzir esse trem não é totalmente fácil, requer bastante atenção, é difícil, o maquinista tem que ter preparo, tem que ter conhecimento.
It's the way the railway handles these slopes that makes it different and a world beater.
Traditional design of trains involve driving steel wheels on a steel track. That steel gives you the strength to carry the weight and a low friction between the two surfaces. The fact is, we don't want low friction on this. They've had to redesign the whole drive system to keep this thing from speeding away down the hill.
On the steepest parts of the railway, a saw-toothed rack lies between the tracks. The power of the engine is diverted from the wheels to drive 3 cogs. They bite into the rack so that they can't slip in either direction, and as they turn, the train begins a controlled descent. The rack and pinion system has never before been used to control this much weight. The fact that there are 3 sets of 3 cogs working together should make the descent ultra secure.
Positivo, está parado na sincronia com o vermelho, sinal 219, copiada a mensagem, câmbio.
The first fully laden descent complete, Nilton and his train near the end of the line.
Nesse momento estamos chegando no pátio de Raiz da Serra, onde a gente vai deixar os vagões que nós trouxemos procedentes de Paraná.
It's not just a 20-kilometre trip they've completed, but a 4-year journey to deliver a truly extraordinary railway. The strongest train anywhere. The only railway capable of moving loads this big, down slopes this steep, and feeding the world's unquenchable thirst for iron.